Exploiting opportunities, unpacking, milk the situation. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the vast ocean of the English language. Today, we're exploring a fascinating phrase, milk the situation. It's a phrase that pops up in conversations, movies, and even in books. But what does it really mean? Let's break it down together and find out how you can use it in your daily English conversations. Stay tuned. Milk the situation. When we hear this, what comes to your mind? Literally, it might seem like taking a cow and milking it, right? But metaphorically, it's far from it. To milk the situation means to take full advantage of a situation for personal gain, often more than what might seem fair or reasonable. It's about extracting every possible benefit from a circumstance, sometimes even extending it beyond its natural course to gain more advantage. The phrase's origin is quite interesting. It draws from the literal action of milking a cow, where one tries to get as much milk as possible. Just like milking a cow, when someone milks a situation, they are trying to get every last drop of benefit from it. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from business and work environments to personal relationships and daily interactions. It's often seen in a slightly negative light because it implies taking more than one's fair share. Let's put this phrase into context with some examples. After winning the championship, the athlete milked the situation by signing numerous endorsement deals. Here, the athlete is taking full advantage of the fame and attention to gain financial benefits. The politician milked the situation of the crisis to gain more popularity among voters. In this case, the politician is using a crisis to extract personal gains in terms of popularity and support, possibly more than what might seem appropriate. While milking the situation can have a negative connotation, it's also possible to use it in a light-hearted or humorous way. For example, I'm totally going to milk this birthday situation and ask for a week-long celebration. Here, the phrase is used in a fun and exaggerated manner, showing that you're playfully taking advantage of the situation. Understanding phrases like milk the situation not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you grasp the nuances of the English language. It's fascinating how a simple phrase can hold such depth of meaning and usage across different contexts. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting phrase and that you can now use it confidently in your conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey, and we're here to explore it with you. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful language learning content. Happy learning!